Welcome to TechBit. Have you ever used this search box on your PC to search for any file or necessary documents? If yes, then you might notice that it takes too long to find your file or folder. But today I will show you how to find any file, folder, or document on your PC instantly. Let's start. Open your browser and search Everything Software on Google. Click on the first link of Void Tools. Then download installer 64-bit file if your PC is 64-bit. Now, install the downloaded software by double-clicking and follow the instruction. After completing installation, you can pin everything to your taskbar for easy access. Now, open it and search any file on your PC by typing its name as much as you remember. It will instantly find your file and show you. You can go to search and choose the file type if you know the type of the file you are searching for. Using this you can search any kind of file, folder instantly, which will definitely help you. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel if you want more videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.